Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing y'all a calendar. So I'm first going to start out by drawing a rectangular shape. This is going to be the front of the calendar, obviously. Now I'm going to draw the pages that are at the back of this current month. I'm going to start out from this side and do a similar rectangular shape. And then I'm just going to bring it around this corner and stop over here. Now I'm going to do another rectangular shape. So that signifies the pages that are there on the calendar. The next thing I'm going to do is these 4 rings on the top, which are there to flip over the pages when you're done with the month. And then just 3 more. Now I'm going to do the rings that go through. And then there's the inside of it. Now I'm just going to erase these extra lines. Now I'm going to draw the month, which will be August. So I'm going to start out by drawing an A. Then I'm going to draw a U. Then I'm going to draw a G. Now I'm just going to draw a line across to show a separation between the actual month and the date. And now I'm going to draw the day, which is a 6. And there we be, guys. We have our, actually I need to draw another line up here. And then 2 more lines over here to separate the other pages. And now we have finished drawing the calendar. So with that being said, I'm going to do a time lapse and color this in. Thanks for following along and watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.